is the golden ticket of homeownership. Hi, I'm Allison Morrow, broker, owner, and founder of Realty. As a homeowner that has been in their home for a number of years, you may have more equity built up than you're aware of. Your equity can be your golden ticket to your next move. So, what is equity? This is when over the years you gain equity as you pay down your home loan and the home's values rise. In fact, your equity can grow faster than you realize. Most homeowners in the United States are sitting on a tremendous amount due to having their mortgage completely paid off, or at least 50%. In fact, according to CoreLogic, the average homeowner with a mortgage has $298,000 built up in equity. So what can you do with that much equity? For starters, if you're planning a move, once you sell, you can use it as a larger down payment for your next home, so you're borrowing less money from the bank. In some instances, you may have enough built up to pay all cash for your next purchase. Having equity in your home can make your move possible when affordability is tight. Also, the more equity that you have, you can use that equity to buy down your interest rate and have a much more affordable payment. So there are plenty of options that you may not be aware of. Please reach out to me and my team so we can give you a home valuation of your property's value. This way, you can see how much equity you may have and also the current market stats in your area. Hi, I'm Allison Morrow, broker, owner, and founder of Realty, and we are all about creating seamless connections in real estate tailored just for you. Stay connected.